Uh, Hi everyone, myself Shika Sharma, as you all know very well. So, I had a doubt regarding introducing you with the Quizzes app, and this just because this is my most favorite app that I often use with the studies of our online classes with other students. So, I decided to make a video to make you learn about this app, and I hope guys you like it. Just let's go. So first of all, what happens whenever we open a window, just type quizzes in this. Quizzes, yes. Now if you can see, there is a thing, there is a logo here appearing, and you need to just click on that, and there will be a window open. Quiz is the world's most engaging learning platform, so you need to click on that as well. Now it is a desktop site, you can download it on your phone also. So if you can just look on the desktop, for work, for teachers, schools and districts. So we are educators, we can just uh, register ourselves with teachers, okay. And if you don't have any account on this app, you can just get started by clicking this. And right now I have an account, so I'm just going to log in into that, and this is my Google account. I'm going to log in with my ID, and this has started. So I have made this account 1 year ago, and I have been using since then, and I have made a few quizzes by myself. Now if you want to just like give any kind of quiz to your students, okay, or you want to share the link with the parents for higher classes students, you can share the link also. But if you want to make a quiz, you can make the quiz also. And here is a search option given. This is also a search option as over here. Now if you want to know about different types of things in different classes, like in history, if you want to know uh, uh, okay, so we just go back to 1857. Riots in India. So now there is a list of so many quizzes that has been prepared by students over here, or I'm so sorry, not students, maybe from students, but there are so many teachers, so they have prepared these all quizzes. So many quizzes are there, you can see clearly. So hundred or thousands quizzes are there, and if you want to just get to know about what are the question particularly given in the particular quiz, you can just scroll your mouse on this quiz, and the questions will be appearing over here, okay. Like during the partition of India, which religious group fled to Pakistan during the partition of India? So just like that, there are so many quizzes are there, there are so many things that you can make by yourself. So I'm just going to show you my library, what are the quizzes that I have made. Just like the animals, wild and domestic, this is the quiz that I have made. Agriculture in India, it is for 4th grade, that I have taught last year. Again, agriculture in India, minerals of India, okay. And directions, this is for classes all as well. So there are so many quizzes like equivalent time and calendar, wildlife quiz for class 4, our occupation, natural vegetation of India, agriculture. So these are the quizzes that I have made for our students. Also, I have taken few questions. Okay, I have taken few questions from this site, particular this application, and I have added those questions to my set of study. Okay, and just look at this. This is the recent quiz that I made for my students. So what you need to do, if you don't want to send any link to your parents, that is not allowed in our online classes. So what we need to do, just while teaching online, you can share your screen, and this screen will be there. On this screen, what you're going to do, just preview. Can you show a preview? Can you see a preview button over here? Just click on this preview, and the game will be appear playing over here on the screen. Okay, now what you're going to do, just if you want to play, there will be a play thing, and I have already made my students play this quiz, so that's why it is showing reattempt. So what you're going to do, just click on this button, and there will be this logo. Now this quiz will be playing in this manner. Okay, 1 2 3, there will be some music in the background, but it is not audible because of my some problem is happening. So who eats flesh of dead animals? So what you are going to do, just tell your students to type the answer in chat box. When they will type in chat box, the chat box will be visible over here. You can just look into the chat box what the students are typing, and then you can tell them, yes, this is the right answer, and who eats flesh of dead animals? The correct answer is vulture. So just click on the vulture, and that will be the correct answer. This way you will move forward. Okay, or if you want to share this link as assign homework, okay, so just click on this assign homework. For higher classes, I am telling ma'am, because smaller students mostly cannot do that type of things. If higher classes students can do, that is very good. They can, because they are making social accounts there, so they can do this all as well. Okay, so just write down the custom deadline in this. आप कितने टाइम तक उसे आपको चाहिए वो क्विज उनकी तरफ से सॉल्व हुआ हुआ. Okay, or you can just do this no deadline. Okay, but this game will be expiring after 6 months, and then assign it. Okay. Now the thing is, how I'm going to assign this. So just click on the share link, or ask those participants on joininmyquiz.com to come on joininmyquiz.com. Okay, and enter this code, and they need to enter this code. Just click a picture of this. Okay, or you can just share link of this. Okay, when you click on the share link, what will happen? The link will be automatically copied on your clipboard. Then you can send that link to your parents. Okay, so this is very easy process. In this process you can assign quizzes for your students. Okay, or you can just play these quizzes online in the classes as well. Most of the time I used to play with my students, because I teach smaller students, so that is very important to let them indulge in these activities, because most of the time they feel sleepy, they do not pay attention, they most of the time they just eat different things while taking online classes. So these type of quizzes I often play with my students after completing 1 or 2 chapters, so that they can get to have some interest in their studies, and also I get their responses in a interesting manner. Okay, So I want my students to get indulge in studies. उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मैम इतने एफर्ट डाल रही हैं तो हमें भी कुछ करना चाहिए. And really my students are working on that. When I put my efforts, so they also put theirs. So this is the only thing I wanted to tell. Okay everyone, I hope you have understood this. This is a very simple manner to teach our students. Okay, take care, bye bye.